over, but we got a foot of ice right here. Super excited about it. It's only got 4 traps set up. We got 2 flags went up almost at the same time. And they're not wind flags because these are jack traps, or you don't get wind flags. It is really windy out here though. Get it? Sweet! We know it's a brook trout because that's all that is in this pond. Oh, little brookie. Nice. All right. Well, right after Brandon got that one, I got a bigger one over here. A little bit difficult with this wind. I can't really use my tripod to film because it's just going to get knocked over into the puddles out here. But here we are, January 1st. Beautiful brook trout pond up by Rangeley. Welcome back, friends. If you have subscribed to our channel, I want to say thank you. And if you're watching this and you have not, please hit the subscribe button. We would really appreciate it. January 1st, and did not know conditions were going to be this windy today. I don't know why I didn't look at the wind forecast. I always do. It is crazy out here, and the ice is extremely slick, and I forgot my micro spikes for my boots. Let me tell you what, if I stand still, the wind pushes me right down the ice. Haven't fallen yet. Have a feeling I'm going to today. I'm going to eat the ice a few times at least. So we just got all 10 traps in. 4 flags so far. 2 fish. Just going around and check everything. Back for time getting the ice shack up. We got it up. So we're excited to be out here. This pond is a dead Maine only pond, so we just saved our shiners from being out yesterday. There's no smelts in this pond, so we go shiners. Had great luck here last year. Last year was the first year this pond was open ice fishing, and yeah, the only thing that just worked out, I think I already said that, but got so many people out here last year. It was pretty exciting. There's quite a few people out here. This is one of the only places around that actually has safe ice right now. One of the places on our list where we wanted to take early this year, we could kayak fish them, but we definitely couldn't ice fish them, and it's going to be a while. It's an exceptionally warm winter so far, but here we are. It's still probably about 8:30. We've got a good day ahead of us. Not a moving, not a doing anything. Oh, it's wet. It's off to the side a little, but no, I don't think so. Oh, maybe. Got it. Oh, yeah. Oh, spit the hook just after it came out. Nice. The fish is going away with the wind. Come back here. Another brook trout. Ooh. Can't even get over here to help. Got the fishy. There we go. Pretty little brookie. Skinny one. Got a 15-incher, didn't get it on video. The game warden came over, checked our licenses, and asked if he could pull a trap out just to make sure we were using dead bait. And put it back in, and the flag went off like a few seconds later, and I got that guy, which is pretty exciting. Nice chip.
It's definitely a cool one to the boys and girls.
I think we got 11 maybe flags. I caught like 8 fish.
Yeah, about that.
Pretty
That's
good.
about right.
But about midday right now. I haven't even looked at the time. Probably noon. Gonna have some lunch and warm up a little. Come back out and check everything. 3 o'clock, packing it in for the day. Slowed down tremendously. Everybody left, and it's just us out here, which has been kind of nice. And the wind finally went down, but the fish also stopped biting. So not so much fun anymore. Hope to be out next weekend, but with the weather going to be crazy warm this week, I don't know where we're going to go, but stay tuned. Hopefully we'll see you out there.